To clean your air purifier effectively, start by consulting the user manual for specific cleaning instructions and maintenance schedules, tailored to your model. Always ensure the unit is turned off and unplugged before cleaning to avoid any electrical hazards. Many air purifiers have a washable pre-filter that captures larger particles like dust and hair. Remove it and rinse it under cold water or vacuum it with a soft brush attachment. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Use a soft, damp cloth to clean the outer surfaces of the purifier, avoiding harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the finish. Monitor the filter replacement indicator if your purifier has one, and replace HEPA and activated carbon filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations, typically every 6 to 12 months. Ensure that air intake and outlet vents are free from obstructions to maintain optimal airflow. Establish a routine for cleaning and checking filters to keep your air purifier functioning efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure your air purifier continues to provide clean, healthy air in your home.